Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to monetize your TikTok account. So to know how to earn in money on your TikTok, just follow me step by step. So first we will go to TikTok app. You will enter here. In this page of TikTok, you will find design of profile, and you will click here. In this window, you will have this button here above. You will click on it. Then you will find settings and privacy. After that, you will find this window of account. You will enter to your account like this, and here in this page, first thing you have to do is to switch to business account like this. So here, as you see, you will find switch your account to business account. So when you click here next, you will switch it. This business account gives you extra features in business suites. Your videos stay the same, but you are only have access to the commercial music library. So first you will go to switch it, and after that you will go back to this page of account, and you will go to this sign again. Here you will find TikTok Studio, and here in this page you will have this window. You will click on this page of monetization like this, and as you see here, first you will go to this window of video gifts, and here you can turn on to get gifts like this. Viewers can send gifts on your eligible videos when feature is turned on. So you will turn on like this, and when you are eligible to get gifts, you can turn on this feature. After that, we will go back again to subscription. Here, as you see, it's just a subscription, so you can go to. So here, as you see, the important thing is to go to live incentive program. You click here, and you have to complete all these conditions to be eligible to join to the program. And when you are joined to this, then you can monetize your account. And here also you will find get notified when I am eligible, and you will find here all programs, and when you click here, they will send to you notifications where you are eligible to monetize your account in that way. So that's it. That's how you can monetize your account on TikTok and to earn money. So if this video is helpful for you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.